All right, we doing some touches to get it summer, spring ready. Got to take this grill off. I got to do some stuff under the hood. Man, I'm just going to jump right into it this Sunday. I want to get this valve cover powder coated as well. I don't know if y'all can hear me, got my mask on. Yeah, I want to get this powder coated. This red, this powder coated like a charcoal. Yeah. And still don't look like any leaks. But I'm gonna change this out because we got a little, y'all see that right there? A little tear. Yeah, so I'm gonna change that out. I'll probably put some new ones on here too. All right, let's get into it. All right, so I unloosened them and those weren't tears that I seen. It just looks clean under here. I'm gonna keep that new hose that I have, keep that in the tuck, and just tighten these back up. But I'm gonna take off that grill. Yep. They're about to be gone. They're about to get out of here. Got a dentist appointment in a bit. Time to get these things removed. It's something I've been plotting on for quite a while, probably about a decade or so. Like right around the time I launched my business, I cut off my dreads. I wanted to take out the teeth, but the teeth were too expensive at that time. And you know, when running a business and you ain't got $1 million on hand, you know, you trying to make everything stretch. You trying to make everything work. So yeah, the hair was gone, the gold stayed. But now, yeah, they gotta go. They gotta go. They gone. They out of here. No, I ain't a big smoothie guy, but shout out to Pure Raw Juice on the smoothie tip, man. This thing's amazing. I know it has pineapple, orange juice, mango in it. Yeah.
The next day.
Bright and early in the morning, quick stop in York, Pennsylvania. Look, you gotta pay with parking with coins, bruh. Coins? And I don't even have a lot. Man. Y'all gonna get, oh my goodness, 10 minutes per 25 cents. I ain't even got an hour, y'all. Yeah, this thing probably gonna expire 38 minutes. All right, let's see if I can take care of this in 38 minutes. I had to come all the way back to the car because you can't take any phones inside the building. We already knocked 8 minutes off the clock. All right, let's get back to it. Time ran out. But no tickets at all. Man, whew, blessing. I promise y'all, it was no way that I was going to make that happen in 30 minutes with walking to and from 3 times, y'all. 3 times. Once I got in there, they told me I had to get a money order, so I had to go to Rite Aid and get a money order. Yeah, I wasn't even thinking. But I got it done. And no tickets. That's always a blessing, man. Look, shout out to that. But let's continue with this journey. I got an hour ride back to the house, clean up the car, and then drop the car back off to the paint shop to get the grill painted and get a couple other pieces touched up. Back at the gas station trying to fill up before we hit the road, or before I hit the road. Gotta get the little one, and then we back on the road. Try to clean it up just a little bit before I take it in. I try to clean it up before I drive it out. Gotta replace that back trim right here. I think I'm gonna replace all the trim. And just order a whole new roll, just so that you know, it could be fresh popping off of the paint. But yep, grill on the way to get painted. Look how it stands out. Well, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but definitely stands out in person. So gotta get that done. overall, we still look good. We still look clean. We still look good. I mean, tires ain't the best. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I didn't even clean the tires. I just really cleaned the car and just jumped in and rolled because it was a little dusty. Just put 25 in it, premium, and we on full. It's probably a little under the half. I'm gonna try to fill it up just to keep that premium gas flowing, y'all, because y'all know this thing was sputtering and putting. And I got that long hour drive once I get the little one. Y'all play that Larry June. That thing rumble. I'm just getting off the highway. Traffic, DMV traffic, it's crazy all the time. All the time. And it's like 3 o'clock. It's not even rush hour. Well, I guess you consider rush hour up here. It just don't stop. Probably 2:30 to 6:30. Rush hour. Just pulled up to the paint shop. We're here. We made it all in one piece. Thank God, because that traffic was insane, y'all. Crazy. I like how that green is just shining. That green is shining. A little metallic flake in there. Yeah, that boy look good. And look what we have here with the super lineup. You got the NSX. NSX out here. These things are super low. Come home to some goodies. Any ideas on what's in these packages? No clues. It is 8:02. Y'all, I am beat. I'm drained. I'm tired. But let's crack these open and see what's inside of these. Item number 1. I gotta put the emblems back on. Y'all look, I gotta put the emblems back on. Did anybody guess this correct? Anybody guess this correct? Yep, the badges. My Saab badge on my way to Philly. Let's see, off the top. So I don't have a Saab badge, but yes, these are the Saab badge. I think it's a Saab badge, and what else is in here? Oh, the 16 valve. Yeah. All right, let's go to the next one. Y'all definitely not gonna guess what this is. Saab cup holder. Nice. Now I gotta figure out how do you even set these things up. I gotta wait till I get the car back, but I was watching the old Carlisle video and I remember going up to this guy's car and he had a printout on his window talking about he sells cup holders. So yeah, we got a cup holder now. And I said on the video that I was going to reach out to the guy and get his information and get it. Completely forgot about it, but we got it now. So salute to you, 3D cup holder guy. I think it was Saab3Dcups.com, Saab 3D cup holders, or SaabCupHolders.com. I can't remember. I'll flash it up on the screen for Anybody who has a Saab that's looking for some cup holders, because our vehicles do not come with cup holders. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. See you on the next one. I'm tired. I'm beat. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Stay positive, stay motivated. Salute. See you on the next one.